Modern construction demands safer, faster, and more flexible ways to connect steel. Lindapter girder clamps are a proven alternative to welding or drilling, creating strong, adjustable steel-to-steel connections with simple mechanical installation. From beams to pipework, cable trays, and plant equipment, clamps allow precise alignment on site, require no hot work, and support heavy structural loads. Connections can be removed, repositioned, or reused, perfect for retrofits or temporary works. Lindapter. One solution, endless applications.